Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you like to deactivate your Instagram account for some reason. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click or open your Instagram account. After click over there and down you will see there will be a profile icon. Simply click over there and then upper side there is a three lines. Simply click over there and then you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here settings and privacy. After click over settings and privacy, you will find there something say account center. After click over account center, you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here personal details. After click over personal details, you will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here account ownership and control. After click over account ownership and control, you will find there something say deactivation or deletion. So you're going to click over on it and then we will say pop-up going to appear. You need to choose do you like to delete your Instagram account. So obviously you need to choose your Instagram account and then a pop-up going to appear. If you like to deactivate your Instagram account, to choose this deactivate and then you need to click here continue and then after click over continue we'll see there will be a pop-up appear. Here you need to type your Instagram password. After type your Instagram password you need to click here continue. After done immediately your Instagram account is going to be deactivate. After done deactivate, if you decide to somehow or some cases reactivate your Instagram or after some time, you can simply log in to your that particular username and password and easily reactivate your Instagram account. So within this simple way you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.